Hey y'all! Today's video is from Lake Guntersville State Park in Guntersville, Alabama. We recently had the opportunity to spend a couple of nights in their campground. While we were here, we wanted to do a drive-through video for those of you who haven't been here before. This is a beautiful park. It's over 6,000 acres, which makes it Alabama's third largest state park. They have a good-sized campground here with a total of 295 sites. The campsites vary in size and amenities. They all have water and electric, and some of them have sewer. They all have a picnic table, a fire ring, and a grill. They also have a nice primitive camping area, which is down by the water. They have several bathhouses and laundry facilities. They have a campground store. They have a recreational area that includes a playground, a tennis/pickleball court, and a basketball court. And they have a splash pad. There's not a pool available to campers, but they do have a beach swimming area. And they also have a dog park. The entrance to the campground is a few miles from the entrance to the state park itself. It's a beautiful drive, and there's a lot to do in this park. We're going to do a separate video showing a lot more of the actual park, including the lodge, the cabins, the golf course, all of the overlooks and the wildlife here. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Now, rather than going in numerical or alphabetical order today, we're going to go to our campsite first and show you where we stayed. We chose site number E9, and we chose it because the way that our camper sits, we have a perfect view of the water and the mountains in the background. This is a full hookup site. We have direct access to the water, like I said, and then there's a bathhouse right here on the left that's close to us. And we really enjoyed this site. It's not big enough for our truck to sit on it with us, but we parked the truck right across the street on a little pad they have. We did have a little trouble getting in the way that you're supposed to go on the road, so we had to come in the other way, but nonetheless, we got in and we really enjoyed this site. Now looking in front of us where the truck is parked is section D. And then you see we have that little bridge there where we can walk out to the docks. So this is the backside of section B, and the main road is right here to the right. So there is a good bit of traffic that goes on this road, so you do have a little bit of noise from that traffic here in this section. But one of the cool things about this part is the deer. Whenever we've seen deer, a lot of times they're in this section right here on the right. They stay on the other side of the road, and sometimes they cross over. Years ago, the first time we came through here to look at the campground, this was the first place that we saw deer, and they're just roaming through the campsites and all, so that's pretty cool. Well, as you guys can see, we are here Halloween weekend, and there's a lot more traffic coming in. There's a lot of kids out running around. They're all getting excited for the trick-or-treat event that they're having tonight. And as you can see, these people take Halloween very seriously. So because of the increase of traffic right now and the kids running around, we've decided not to go back and circle through sections B and C. Those two sections are smaller, they're very tight, and for safety purposes, we just didn't want to drive back through today. So I hope that you were able to find what you were looking for based off of what we've put into the video. We will do the aerial shot at the end here, and I hope that you found this video helpful. We do appreciate y'all watching, and we hope that you come back to see the next one. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, and we'll see y'all on the next one.